guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, instead of gaming, we are doing Lego building. So here's a tutorial how to make a dog on the skateboard. So first, I want to show you some of my creations. So there's this one, this motorbike. And then you go like this, and then it can stand by itself too, nicely. And then, anyways, next is the caravan. Here's the car. You see the little space between the car and the house? It's attached. So wherever it goes, the house follows it. And last but not least, the petrol station. The petrol station. It opens up to the door. And the doorknob is red. Ooh, cool, isn't it? So anyways, let's get started. Place this aside. So, and I have the tutorial which I got in this box. If I need it, I'll use it. Okay, first we need this Lego thing and this. So over here we have to put, actually we don't need this right now, we need this. So we put it over here, and then after that we get this thing and then put it here. The skateboard's actually we're doing good so far. So next we need the wheels. The wheels are ready. It's nice. Then we have to put this thing over here. Yeah, actually wait. Here. One wheel done. The second one is right here. So we have to place it in. Skateboard's done. Oh, look at it go. So this skateboard's done. So let's place this aside for a moment. So now we are building the dog. So first we need this and this, and then we put this like this, and then we need this thing to put it like this. So that you fit it in, you just ta-da! Next we need the brown block and two of these like this. So next we, on the sides, which way does it go? We need to put it like here, wait. Oh yeah, like this. Does it face that way? No, it goes this way. And then the Lego thing goes here. Yeah. So where's the other one? And then like this one, we put this like this. Ta-da! Exactly like the one in the tutorial. So we need this and this to cover the edges. Come on. Yes. We made the dog's body, just need the tail. Next we need, we need this, they're saying, and this. So first we put this over here and this tail over here. dog's body, the tail. Okay, so next up is we need this. Place this aside. And then we need this and times 2 of those. Yeah, there we go. So when we have these two, we need this. Wait a second. Yes. 2 of those. Yes, we have them. So we have this. We need this one to go over here. And the other one on the other corner. And the normal one over here. Well, it's kind of tough. There we go. And then we leave this, and then we need his 2 ears. So next up, we have to put the ears on these corners. So over here, this goes over here, and this other ear goes over here. This way. There we go. Make this. And then we need the 2 times those normal, and then one of those over here. So this here goes here, and then this, and then this. Lego's actually quite fun actually. So I think this is the head. No, wait. Yeah, so the head. Next up in the tutorial, we need the tongue. And then we place it over here. Over here, yeah. So the eyes we need. The eyes are right over here. I don't think you can see that well. Then we put the eyes over here, the correct way. And then, last but not least, we just place the heads together. And actually the other way around. Ta-da, the dog's done. And then let's just place it on the skateboard. Wait a second. My head. His head broke. Kind of tough, man. So, and no, actually, we take this off. Ta-da! At the bottom, his wheels are nice. His side, the tail, his mouth. So, bye guys! See you later!